Hi, this is Jill Viverka, and I am fortunate enough to be in San Diego this afternoon. This is the USS Midway docked right behind me here. It is an absolutely gorgeous day down here. You can't argue with that. I'm actually working while I'm here. Actually, I'm working right now because my work works whether I'm at my computer or not, which I really love. And I'm working with My Daily Choice, and we promote CBD oil products that are absolutely top quality. I wanted to let you know about what I'm doing, mainly because I'm going to give you a gift. If you are interested in finding out more about working from home online, earning excellent income, promoting health products that can increase your wealth as well, I have a link below for you to look at here. And if you do, and if you like what you see, and you'd like a sample of our top quality products, we have a new 5 product sampler that I will send you for free, and that's my gift to you. I want you to experience the lovely oils and lotions and things that we have for health products. So look at the link below, and then there's another link there that you can use to send me your mailing address, because I'm going to need to give it to My Daily Choice so they can send you the packet. But again, it's free to you. I want you to try it out. I'd love to have you be on my team. We work well. It's a wonderful company. They do so much for us to help us be successful. So there's lots of information for you to look at here. But I just had to share that I was in a lovely spot today, a little bit unusual for me, and I hope we visit soon. Thank you.